Hey everybody, and welcome back today for a new video. So today we are reviewing the new drone racing frame that was sent to me courtesy of gearbest.com, and they sent this to me also in preparation for their 4th year anniversary. You can check them out starting March the 20th all the way up until April. They're going to be doing some awesome sales and all kinds of things. I'll try and get the best coupons for you guys and the best deals that I think, but they're going to have a whole bunch of cool stuff. So let's get right into looking at this racing drone frame. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the EX220. This is a carbon fiber 4mm racing frame. So the arms are about 3 millimeters thick right here, and this plate right here is about 1 to 2 millimeters, and the bottom is about 1 millimeter. So it's a really nice, thin and smooth racing frame. Here's what it looks like from the front. Here's what it looks like from the side. Here's what it looks like from the back, and then from the bottom. So now when this kit does come in the mail, it comes completely disassembled. There's not really any instructions on how to put this together, so I kind of had to use the website as kind of like my way of checking out this frame and figuring out how to put it together. So when I first put it together, I actually put the arms on backwards. So if you decide to get this frame, it's a really nice frame. I like it a lot. So if you notice these little pointy things, these both point towards the inside, and on the back they point towards the inside as well. So that was my first clue, because if you look on the bottom where the arms meet, they make a nice, almost a perfect square right there, right? And then if you notice right here on the top plate, this goes right here. So basically what you're going to do is when you're putting this together, I would recommend just getting the bottom plate and then this plate right here. So what you do is just get your arm, and they come with these long screws right here and these little guys right here, these nuts right there. So, and then basically, so what you do is you just take your arms and then you take your screws and you pop the screws in between. You can kind of see right here between the arm, the plate, and then that in between plate. And I apologize if you guys can't see that very well, but that's how they all fit in there basically. So you screw those 4, actually there's 6. There's 2 on each arm right here, and then there's 4 underneath as well. And then these 4 underneath, these act as your mounting brackets. That's going to be for your flight controller or power distribution board, or however that you want to use that. So let me grab the flight controller that I'm going to use. You guys will probably notice this is the flight controller that I did a review on the other day, and this is going to be the flight controller that I use to build this particular racing drone. So I've gotten my flight controller kind of just loosely on there, but that's what it's going to look like, and this is the all-in-one that I put on there, which is going to be really nice. So you can kind of see that you can actually look right through the top, and you can see right there your actual your channel selector right there is on the side, everything like that. And if you guys notice as well, I am using, these are going to be the rubber anti-vibration ones that I got in my drone drop box. So I'm going to be using those to put my flight board on there, which is really nice. So I think this frame would do really good with an all-in-one flight controller like this. This is the first time I'm building one with an all-in-one, so I think it's going to make it really nice and light, and it's just going to give it really good lift and everything like that. Now I also have on order some Emax motors. They're going to be white, and I've got some Fury B ESCs that are on the way as well. So those are going to be here hopefully pretty soon. I'm hoping by next week, before the 20th. That way I can get this thing built. But as you can see, it's going to make for a really nice, clean and smooth build. Not a whole lot of clutter and everything like that. Like I said, this is going to be the first time I'm using an all-in-one with this particular frame. But I'm really impressed with this frame. I really like it a lot. It is very light, and it's made of pretty good. You can tell it's made of really nice carbon fiber. So the arms, they don't bend at all. They feel really good. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that. And again, this is the EX220. So this is a little bit bigger than my 210, 220s. Not very much bigger, maybe just a hair. But that's what it looks like. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing the build on this. I think it's going to turn out really cool. So guys, if you like the quick review of the EX220 racing frame, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. And if you would, go ahead, if you like my channel, if you like my reviews, hit the subscribe button. That really does help out the channel. And if you want, you can hit the bell. The bell just lets you guys know when we have new videos. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every other Sunday we have our live Q&A. So that's really cool. I wanted to finish the other build, but it's not quite done. I've got a few more things, and I didn't want to just kind of patch it together. I wanted to make it really look nice for you guys. So that'll be coming next week, my build. This week, with the weather provided, hopefully I can get out and race one of my 5-inch drones. So that's going to be really cool. So check out on Monday's video, the FPV. Hopefully that'll be the racing. Did get to go racing this last Wednesday on the Tiny Whoops, so that was pretty fun. But yeah, so this again was my review of the EX220. I will leave a link down in the description for you guys if you want to check out this particular frame. It's a really nice frame, and again, I really like it a lot. It's pretty versatile, and it's nice and small, compact, and I think it's going to be a really nice flyer. Along with the Fury Bee flight controller and those rubber dampening, I think it's going to be a freaking just an awesome little drone. So look for the build video hopefully next week, if not the following week after that. But I'm hoping I should get this done by next week. So guys, thank you for all the awesome support and all the comments. I appreciate it. Keep that coming up. And if you haven't checked out my Patreon page, check that out. Got all kinds of things for the patrons, including they get a sneak peek every time I put out a new video. An hour before the video releases, I make sure to put the link on Patreon. So if they want to view the video before, they have access to it. So, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So thank you guys as always, and don't forget to check out the GearBest sale coming up on March the 20th through April. They're going to have a whole bunch of stuff, including the Fury Bee Dark Max is going to be on sale. I know a lot of you guys have been looking forward to that. And the Fury Bee 215 Pro, that's going to be on sale. They're going to have a whole bunch of drone stuff that's on sale, so definitely check them on out, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching the video, and while you're waiting for my next one, let's make sure we keep our drones up in the air and flying high. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.